Say something now. Why are you looking at me like that?
You look so beautiful. You look good.
Thank you. But you always say that.
What is that? Each time I try to have sex with you, you always ignore me. You desist from it. Why?
Baby. Baby. You know I love you. I love you too. Hmm?
I also feel, babe. I love you so much. Every night I have sleepless nights all because of your love. I know I can't do without you.
We've talked about this now. We've talked about it earlier. Eh?
Do you believe our better friendship can even lead to marriage? I need this real love. You can't tell me you love me without you giving me what I want. I need this sex. I need your love. Show me that you truly love me. I need this love, babe.
Baby. You know I love you too. But you're just pushing me away. You're totally different from them. But you are just the same. I thought you were different from them. You are just the same.
You can't tell me you love me without you giving me what I needed. I need this love. I need the true love.
You're pushing me away.
I'm not pushing you away. You're not a baby. You are mature to know what love is all about. I need this strong love. Love me the way I do. You can't keep on telling me you love me. Is the person I face you love? I need the true love. Show it. Let me see. You can't tell me you love me without having sex with me. It's of no use.
I told you I can't have sex before marriage. We talked about this. I told you I can't have sex before marriage. You're gonna begin to quit this relationship. I think I'm going to quit this relationship.
No.
I think I'm not in this relationship. Because we are different from them. I'm really...
Please. Don't go. Don't go, okay? Don't do this to me. Please. Okay. If that will make you fun, if that will make you feel comfortable, I'll never say anything concerning sex again, okay? Let's forget about sex, but give me the love. I can't lose you and I can't do without you. Yes, I promise you. Yes, I promise you. Yes, I'm sure.
But I was not to say before.
This time I promise you, I will fulfill my promise. Even a day I won't say anything concerning sex. It don't make you happy. It don't make you feel fine. I make so
Thank you.
I love you, girl. I love you too. I love you so much. I want you to know that I can't do without you.
Yeah, it's alright. It's alright, man. It's alright. Viewers, I hope you enjoyed this short, powerful drama by Pinky, Ruby, and the Glory Crown. You know, in this very short drama, Glory Crown wants to take something that does not belong to him, you know. And this girl, Pinky Ruby, is trying to defend herself. Let me tell you, Ada, look, you girls, a man is not supposed to open up that lower dichotomy, you know. The lower dichotomy is supposed to be opened by the man who is going to take you to the altar. I mean, the tissue that covers the lower dichotomy is supposed to be teared by the man who is going to take you to the altar. That's what Ruby is trying to defend. She is trying to protect her dignity, which every woman is supposed to protect. I love that. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Ruby. Glory Crown. So what do you have to tell the viewers then?
Keep watching Saggy Talent Hunts. Don't miss it for any reason. And don't forget to vote your girl, Pink Ruby 1009.
Thank you for watching Saggy Talent Hunt. I still remain your boy, Glory Crown. Vote for me, 1001. Glory Crown, I love you all. And I keep on giving you the best you want. I love you.
Keep watching. Sag Talent Hunt is a big show.